In this video, you will learn how to issue a check to your customers for a refund. Usually, checks are issued to suppliers for the purchases of goods and services. However, when customer overpay the company or there is a credit balance owed to the customer, you may consider issuing a check to the customers to zero off the negative balance. This is a transaction activity of customer AAA Private Limited. There was a sales made and the money collected from the customer with a balance of zero amount. For some valid reason, a credit note was given to this customer, resulting in a negative balance of $321. The customer asked for a refund. In this case, the company is going to issue a check $321 to pay off this customer. You are now going to issue a check to pay off the customer. At Accounts Entry, select Payment. Click Add GL. Enter the company's name, AAA Private Limited. And enter the credit note number. Enter the refund amount and select the bank code. Enter the customer's address and your company's check number. Next, at Chart of Accounts, select Contra and enter the amount. Enter the remarks. At Text Fast Code, enter OP, out of scope purchase. Once complete, click Save. Click Print Now to print out the payment voucher or print later. Click OK. By issuing a check to the customer, we had credited the company's bank account and debit the Contra account. The next step is we are going to issue a debit note to the customers and credit to the Contra account. At Accounts Entry, select Customer's Debit Journal. The effect of raising a debit journal to the customer's accounts is to cancel off the negative balance in the customer's accounts. Click Add. Enter the customer's ID, AAA. Next, at Chart of Accounts, enter the account's Contra and the refund amount. At Text Code, enter OS, out of scope. And enter the remarks. Once complete, click Save. Click Print Later. Click OK. Exit. We are now going to look at the customer's ledger. At Reports, select Customer's Ledger, Customer Account Activity. Select this customer AAA and click OK. The negative balance in the customer's accounts is now zero off by raising a debit note, and the customer's accounts is now zero. At Enquiry, the Contra account is also now zero. At the Aging Report, for this customer. The credit note is still an open item, even though the debit note is raised and the balance is zero. So we need to do the last step is to apply off this credit note against this debit note at the receipt module. Exit from this report. Click on Accounts Entry. Click on Receipt. Click Add Customer. Call out the customer's accounts. At the Bank and Check, type Contra. Bank Fastcode, select Contra. The amount will be 0. Next, click Offset. Select the debit note against the credit note, and the amount is 0. Click OK. Save this entry. Print later. OK. Yes. Return back to the aging report, and the customer's credit note is now clear from the aging. You have successfully learned how to issue a check to your customers for the purpose of a refund.